What up, guys? This is Pastor Canave again. We're coming up with another video. Today we're going to be doing this wonderful cube. Yeah, it has three sides. Looks like a little cube right there. It could be better, but didn't have too much time to go through it and finish it up all the way. But the most important thing is, excuse me, we're going to be using the skills that you already know. Skills, basic skills with CSS. We're going to try that today. Only CSS. All right. So this is the demo right here. The cube is going to have some colors reflecting, different colors. So we're going to be using keyframes for this, a little bit of animation, all that stuff. All right. So let's start. Let's do it. So before you start the video, maybe just like the video already and subscribe to the channel. Okay, like I said, this cube could improve a lot more. Maybe if you get the time, just go ahead and improve it, do it a lot better than what I have right here. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we're going to need in the body, so everything we're going to be doing just in our HTML right here. We're going to be having our style. It could be in a separate file for our CSS, but we're just gonna try to do it just to the best way, faster. Oh yeah, whatever. Right, let's do that. So we're going to do a div right there. All right, we got a div, and we're going to give a name, which is going to be a cube. Okay, then inside this we're going to have another div, which is going to be side top as a name, as a class. And then let's fix this, and we're going to have two more for this. Oh man, I hate that. Okay, so this is going to be the same right here. So we got a top, we got left, and then we have front. Okay, only three sides. All right, so we're going to have our style right in here in our HTML. So we're going to start from the cube class. I'm going to give you some values right here. Our attributes we're going to give a width 200 pixels, and see, I missed the spell. Cool. So we get a height, so it's going to be 200 pixels. All right, then we have position, so it's going to be absolute. Okay, then we have top, we're going to do 50%, and then we're going to be left, so we got 50%. Then what else we need? We need transform, transform style right there. We're going to use the preserve 3D. Then right here we want to have some transform. We're going to have rotate X and 240 degrees, and then we have rotate right here. This is going to be Y. We're going to have right here -1 degree, and then we're going to have rotate Z minus 155 degrees. Okay, all right, so we got a cube. All right, so now let's go to the side. I'm missing something. No, I think we're good. We got a side right here. Gonna have a width 100%, and then we're going to have a height also 100%. Then we have top, we got 0, and then we got left, we got 0, and position we got absolute, we got that. They have the border radius, we're going to have a 10%. Okay, all right, so let's save this. Let's see what we got so far. We got nothing yet for sure, which is fine. Okay, let's keep on working on this side, and let's go to the top. Let's tackle the top now. So we got transform, we got translate, C, translate, translate. So right here we got minus 190 pixels. Okay. Then we have right here, we'll give a background gray. Okay, and then we have front, and right here we have transform, we got rotate, X, 95 degrees, 95 degrees for this. Okay, and then we have transform, we're going to use the origin. We got bottom, then we got background, we're going to do gray. Okay, cool. And then we got left, so we got width 200 pixels, transform, we get translate, C, and then we got minus 188 pixels, and then we have rotate, and we're going to be rotate Y, and it's going to be 91 degrees. Okay, all right, and then we have transform, origin, we're going to use right, and then we have the background, we got gray too. Okay, let's save that. Let's see what we have so far. Okay. That's what we don't want, right? Let's fix that and see what we're missing, the front part. So, oh yeah, okay, right here. That's why I spelled it wrong. Okay, that should fix it. Cool. That's our cube. Yeah, like I said, the cube could be better, like, if we have more time, we can fix it, do it really nice. But it's up to you guys. You can go ahead and fix it and do it the best that you can. All right, let's keep on working. Let's okay, right here. Now let's give it some colors right here. Let's do some a little bit of animation right here. We're going to be using animation. So we're going to start on the top. Animation. 1 second. We want, so the name is going to be green. Infinite linear. Okay. Let's close that. And then we can copy this. And let's just go to the next one. Maybe we can give this name as a red. Okay. And we want to do this in 2 seconds. And let's do the last one. Let's give a name of this of blue. And we want this to be 3 seconds. Okay. Now we're going to be using some keyframes for the colors. Keyframes. We're going to start with green. So we're going to do 0. We're going to start at 0. And we're going to do the background. We're going to do, what do we do? Let's do yellow, something like that. Okay. Cool. It's going to start at 0%, and then we're going to do a 50%. And the background is going to change to color, what do you want, green. This is for the green, which is the green is the top part. Yeah, the upper part. Okay, the roof part. Okay, now we're going to do 100%, and then we're going to do a background. So, and this is going to be, what color did I did? Let's do orange on this one. All right. Let's copy all of this, and then let's copy 3 times. Okay. We just changed the names right here. So what was the second one? Second one was red. Let's see, green. This is red. And then the third one was blue. Okay. So we just gotta change the colors right here. So what colors did I did? Let's see. Look at my notes. Okay, we just did red in here with the pink, and then we did black on this one, and then the blue we get a purple cyan. Let's change that to purple. Let's do this to cyan, and we got brown. All right, let's save that and it should give us the colors for the cube. All right, let's check it out. Nice. All right, so that was pretty much it for this video. So hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully it can help you in your journey. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, we're going to keep pumping up every day some videos and see if we can do JavaScript, we can do CSS, we can just build a website, we can just do banners, or whatever, like, everything that will give us the ability to keep developing more of these skills for web development. All right, have a good night, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, bye bye.